Today, we're in Dunsville, Virginia, at a home that offers more than just four walls and a roof. It's part of a community that truly makes life by the river special. The property sits in Rappahannock River Estates, a neighborhood known for its beautiful shared sandy beach on the Rappahannock River. Residents here enjoy not just one, but two community docks, a boat ramp, and places to tie off a boat or jet ski. It's a place where you can launch out for a day of fishing, kayaking, or simply take in the view of a river sunset. The community also has golf cart paths throughout, a playground for kids, and a civic center that hosts events all year long. Everything from live music and food trucks to neighborhood gatherings that bring everyone together. It's not just a subdivision, it's a lifestyle, and the people here take pride in creating a welcoming, fun environment. Before we go any further, I just want to stop for a moment and say thank you to Kyle Taylor, the listing agent for this property, and the seller of the home for allowing me to come shoot this video. Who am I? My name is Josh. I'm a realtor in the area with Bragg & Company. If you are buying or selling a home in the Northern Neck or Middle Peninsula in Virginia, I'd love to earn your business. I'll put my contact information down below. Now let's get to the house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home with over 1,500 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find a completely remodeled kitchen with new cabinets, countertops, appliances, and lighting. The living and dining spaces flow together with brand new flooring, and there's a cozy screened-in porch just off the dining room that's perfect for relaxing after a day on the river, with a fire pit in the backyard. The home also features a spacious great room with a fireplace, a renovated hall bath, and a large laundry room. The primary bedroom has its own en-suite bath, and 2 additional bedrooms offer plenty of flexibility. Outside, you've got a generous yard with room to park your boat or water toys, plus a detached shed with lean-tos for extra storage. Recent updates include a new HVAC system and a deep well, so much of the big work is already done for you. Altogether, this property gives you the comfort of a beautifully updated home with the bonus of belonging to one of the most vibrant river communities near the Chesapeake Bay. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence or a weekend retreat, this home is ready for you to start making memories on the Rappahannock. So that's it for this one. Thanks again to Kyle and the seller of the home for allowing me to come. If you like this video, I think you'll like this one even more. It's where I tour a home that looks like a lighthouse. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more Down by the Bay. We'll see you next time.